Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just hopping right into this video and I'm going to do my DIY beauty oil. So this is what you need. It's really simple. All you have to do is pick one oil if you want. I use multiple in this video, optional vitamin E as well as other ingredients you could throw in there, and I do use essential oils for this. As many of you already know, I do sell doTERRA oils, so if you ever wanted to purchase them, you can shop through me. Just email me and I'll get you set up. If you have another brand that you like to use, go ahead and use those. You do not have to use the ones that I do, but please make sure that they're therapeutic grade and not synthetic blends. That's a really important factor. Now for the essential oils that I'm going to throw in, I have this really handy chart that I like to reference just to see what I want to add to my beauty oil. I know we all have different skincare concerns, so I just wanted to put that up there for those of you who may have different concerns to me. I'm going for anti-aging and also for moisturization. So those are two things that I like to look for. Anything that can help with scarring is a bonus. I like anything that's brightening as well. The glass dropper I'm going to be using is a 50 milliliter, and I just repurposed this from an old Josie Maran argan oil. You can purchase these from Amazon if you don't already have one at home. They usually come in a 30 milliliter 1 ounce, like this rosehip seed oil from The Ordinary. This is the easiest way you can do this. This is already in this bottle. You can buy this from Sephora. It's $9.90, pure rosehip seed oil. Just throw in essential oils to that. That's the easiest thing you can do, but I'm going to mix for this video. But I wanted to give you an even easier alternative to what I'm doing, even though my recipe is so simple as well. That's just the easiest way you can do. You get your bottle, you get your oil, and you just throw in some essential oils. So I'm adding the rosehip seed oil to my bottle, and then I'm also going to add some jojoba oil. So this is great for the skin as well. I'm putting up some cards that can show you little details about these oils, but definitely look into different oils you can use. I've used argan oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, various kinds of oils. So really it doesn't matter. You can check out what oils you like. I mix it up all the time. This step is optional, but I do like to add in some extra vitamin E oil. This is pure vitamin E oil. A lot of the oils that I already put in my beauty oil have vitamin E in it, so you don't necessarily need to do this, but I do like to add some extra because this is a thicker oil. I like the consistency of this and it has great benefits for the skin. It's really important to use essential oils safely, so here is a handy dilution guide that I like to reference. I usually fall between 2 and 3% dilution for my skin. I do have fairly sensitive skin. If you go upwards of 5% and do find it's a little too strong for you, you can always pour it into an extra bottle, add more of your carrier oil, and just further dilute it. This next part honestly constantly changes for me. So this specific oil, I'm putting 8 drops of lavender in there, and then you'll see the different mixture I'm doing of the various oils. Geranium, I'm putting 8 in. Lavender and geranium are pretty much good for anyone and anyone's skin concerns, so I recommend both those for anyone. And then I'm adding in some Frank, just 2 drops. This is a more pricey oil, but I use it for honestly everything. When in doubt, use Frank. It's so good. Then I'm adding 6 drops of Myrrh. It's a little bit of a thicker oil, so I have a harder time getting this out, so you just gotta be patient for it to drop out. And then I'm having some Ylang Ylang in there. So 6 drops of that, and it makes it smell really nice, so that's why I like that as well. Now I'm going to just top off my mixture with some jojoba oil, and then that's going to complete my beauty oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple recipe to do, and if you do end up doing this, please let me know. If you need help with essential oils, definitely let me know as well. I'm happy to help you guys out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.